Welcome back to Weekend Smile. She was a contestant on the first season of the TV fashion design show Mission Catwalk. But now, Romona McLean-Foster is the creative director of Romona Designs and Variety. Welcome to Weekend Smile, Romona. How are ya?
Thank you.
You're good?
I'm great. Thank you.
Good to have you. So, your website says you have a strong desire to solve the issues women faced with single-wear clothing. We all have that problem, right?
Yes, we do.
By creating elements of versatility, comfort, and style. What does that mean?
Well, versatility, comfort, and styles mean that with my designs, you get a variety of different looks. You know, you get comfort in the mix, and it's pretty stylish. So you can basically feel comfortable in your own skin, and whenever you're transitioning from work to party to, you know, home, resting,
Whatever
it is.
It's so interesting that you touched on, you know, single-wear clothing, because I think one of those pieces a lot of persons would say is like a romper, for example, you know, or even a dress. You know, if it is that you have a top and a bottom, then you can mix and match and do so much more with that. You saw that as an issue facing a lot of women, especially today, especially in this Instagram era.
Yes, absolutely. And I think it's so important for you to be able to wear the same thing that you have, because we also have to look at the contribution to pollution and all of that. And that's also something that I strongly believe in preserving the environment. So when we can wear our clothing more than once, you select timeless pieces that blend well, or select something from Romona Designs that is timeless too. So you can mix and match it, and hey, people probably won't really know it's the same thing except us.
What about affordability, Romona? Because, you know, so we have to consider that as well. Every time you need to change your outfit, you have to go buy something new.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And this is why, you know, my designs are perfect, because it's affordable, for one. And when you can mix and change to different ways, it helps you to save money in your pockets as well.
Yeah.
So
let's go back to Romona as a child, you know, before you got into styling and being so creative with your pieces. You grew up in a household where your parents, you know, promoted work over play, you know, especially schoolwork over play. Where did you get this drive from and the inspiration from to just branch out and to be a designer?
Well, from a tender age, I always loved drawing. I used to make paper dolls a lot. I used to make birthday cards for every event, for every birthday with a mommy, anybody. And it was really fun. I liked drawing on walls, drawing at the back of every book. So it just became a part of me. You know, I have to confess, I even cut my hair, the front of my hair, to make a paper doll from a tissue roll, because I wanted a doll so bad. But, you know, when you're a creative person at heart, you just grow into what you love, that passion, you know. Yeah. And it becomes even better when you can solve issues for persons or women.
Of course. So we have a mannequin right here.
Yes.
You're gonna show us how we can, you know, change things up a bit, do a little demonstration.
Absolutely.
With some of your pieces today. So let's see what's happening. What you have here for us?
Okay, so right here we have this versatile wrap. It looks like a skirt, yes. And then we have this little draped tube top here. So this is a style piece, but it's actually a hat. So you can wear it like a neck piece. That's the functionality of it. Now, from this skirt, we can transform into something else, which is like, you know,
that looks
a nice
like a dress now, Romona.
Resort, yes. A nice
yes,
resorty vibe, like that.
And you tie it at the top and you're good to go. You have something looking more like a dress.
Go. Right.
That I see something like a camisole there as well, Romona.
A camisole?
Yeah, like you know, a nice little vest, like a nice little camisole vest. If I just have on like a tank top, or if I have on like a spaghetti strap top, and I just want to, you know, add a little bit more, you know, flair to my outfit, I could add that to it as well.
Yes.
Okay.
And on another occasion, if you need to go to a business office meeting and you have to rush out and you don't really know what to wear, you could actually turn it into a lap.
Okay.
You know, lap it like that.
Yes, and probably even tuck it.
Tuck it in if you want, yes.
And I have a dress, just throw on my jacket over it and things have changed.
Yes,
completely.
Things have changed completely.
Wow. And this is just all from about 3 pieces. This is, I'm seeing here about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 or 6 different outfits.
Exactly. The possibilities are endless, you know. So you can do so much, and it's easier when you play around with it. You can put your own style, your own flair to it, you know. It all depends on you. So versatility, comfort, style.
Oh, we love it. I'm sure if we put on this dress or this top, we'd feel comfortable. We'd definitely look stylish.
Absolutely.
And the amount of ways that we can wear this, we're definitely versatile.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So, Romona, where can we find you? How can we get in touch with you if we want, you know? Do you just make these pieces and you sell them in a store, or is everything custom made? How does it work?
Well, I actually do custom made. You can find me on Instagram at Romona Designs Jamaica.
Okay.
So that's where my fashion pieces are. There is a website. If you click the link in my bio, you'll find the website. So I do have options where if you want custom made, I can do that. But if you want to order one of these ready-to-wear pieces, it's good to go. All you do, just make your order on the website or DM us, message us. You know.
Yeah, and we can either see some of the pieces that you have already created, get some ideas, and probably even bring them to you.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
No, Romona, I also have to ask you, you're an advocate for creatives as well. How do you achieve this?
Well, being a creative myself, I do know the challenges that we face from time to time. So I have a passion to assist them, whether it be financially, through projects, to help them achieve their goals. And I'm all about women empowerment and good mental health in general. So, you know, I like giving gifts. I like helping persons to hone their skills. So I can actually teach them, you know, so we help bring them into the whole entrepreneurship.
All right. Yes. So you can give them some tips, some tricks, some advice as to what it takes to be not only a fashion designer, but an entrepreneur and a multifaceted individual. Ramona, thank you so much for joining us here on We Can Smile this morning. Your pieces are lovely. They really do look stylish, comfortable, and they are really versatile. So thank you so much. Romona McLean-Foster, Creative Director of Romona Designs and Variety. We'll be right back.